Rob, he's going to fill us in on weather, what we need to know as we approach the weekend, everybody.
It is here. It is here.
We got to celebrate what we can.
It's good news. Look, some people are fans of winter weather. I am not one of those people.
Oh. You see how silent it was?
I'm the fan.
I just can't. You know, it's pretty the first day, and then I'm done with it for the rest of the season. Here's the clouds.
Yes.
And I also don't love when the sky looks like this. I like a lot of sunshine. The clouds are there. You know, I need the gloominess to move away. Look, I've got some improvement in the weekend forecast. And most of next week, there are a couple of changes here, and there are some ups and downs. But let me get you through where I think is going to be the best day, and that's going to be part of this weekend. 44 is where we sit currently. We do have this west or northwest wind that is going to add that bite through this evening and even into tomorrow. So expect that for the rest of this evening. Unfortunately, the clouds are going to take their sweet time getting out of here. So they're not going anywhere tonight. By tomorrow, we'll still have a good bit of cloudiness. Clouds will stay with us overnight. Temperatures staying above freezing. I'll put 36 on there. And here's how it'll look for future tracks. So here's your timestamp. As we get into the evening, not a whole lot of change with those clouds in place. But if a few areas break away from those clouds, we could see more of the 30s begin to take over before we try to warm things up for tomorrow. In fact, by the afternoon, we could start to see some of these clouds break up. Remember earlier I said by the end of the day on Saturday, we could see a couple of peaks of sunshine, and that may help to push your temperatures up into the 50s. Once we get into your Sunday, I actually think Sunday is going to be a pretty nice day. There's still some cloud cover in place, but that's going to be those high, thin clouds, so kind of a milky sky. Unfortunately, it means the temperatures may start out on the cooler side because there's no blanket right near the surface to keep the temperatures warm, so temperatures will start into the 30s. This particular model even has temperatures getting up close to 60. Don't know if I buy that just yet. I think the high thin clouds may stay with us for much of the day, and then as we head into Monday, that's going to be our next chance for rain. So let me show you the weekend forecast. We'll do 48 for the high temperature here for Saturday with the clouds, peak of sunshine by the second half of the day. I'm going to call this partly to mostly cloudy for Sunday, but keep in mind it's those high thin clouds, and I'll put 57 there for the daytime high. Some of you will get much warmer than that. This is certainly a part of the forecast where your mileage will vary for sure. And then carrying that warm temperature into Monday as well. Monday is expected to be a rainy day and then cooling way down as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and then of course into Thanksgiving, which leads us into the Thanksgiving forecast. What's it going to be like next week? We'll know that Monday is going to be probably our best chance for rain around the region. And I'm saying region because there's always a lot of folks traveling this week. Tuesday and Wednesday look pretty good. Now, Thursday, there is a bit of a question mark, and all of the meteorologists are watching to see if that forecast is going to come into focus. I'm going to say that I'd like to take that rain or snow chance out, but I need more data before I do so.